Gurukul system, which Swami Shivananda Centenary Boys High School is striving to put forward, combines the secular education, that is the modern physical material education, with the spiritual, moral and ethical education, is an experiment in that direction to build the ideal human being, to build the right character.
Swami Shivananda Centenary Boys High School has been established in the name of Swami Shivananda. Swami Shivananda Maharaj had established the Divine Life Society with the main idea of giving spiritual education, for spreading spiritual knowledge among all the entire humanity. So we follow the ideals of Swami Shivananda Maharaj. In our school also, we try to see that the student tries to achieve the excellence in normal studies as it is done in any other school. And along with that, we give the stress on spiritual education, moral education, value education, so that he grows into a complete individual and he will be a blessing for the humanity.
Shivananda Centenary Boys High School was established in 1984 under the direct inspiration of His Holiness Swami Chidananda Saraswati Maharaj. When a student enters into the school, 4 months he is a changed person. He is organized, he is buying the school, and with the food he takes, he becomes calm and his education standard becomes higher.
Education is not just important, but also character is also very important. And this school provides us with such a facility that we can develop our character into a positive way. The spiritual educations, and beside it, the cooperation of the teacher is also very helpful to us. The teacher stays with us, and whenever we have any doubt, they come. We can go to them and can clear it out.
I had joined in this institute in 1994. And during my 5-year stay on that time, apart from regular academic teaching, we are used to practice yoga, meditation and spiritual life. 5 years of practicing of disciplined life, yoga, meditation, this gives us the true strength to follow the right path, and I think that is the best gift this institute gave to us.
The efforts of the managing committee is to ensure that the school is not lacking in any facility which is there in the best school in the country. They are provided with extra classes, and the weaker students are given extra emphasis for the gap that has been created, and the good students are also given the emphasis so that they are able to do much better than what they are performing today.
First batches of students are passed out from this school in Odia medium. We have 13 classrooms from 6th to 10th. Our total strength is now 394, and this year 79 students are going to appear in the CBSE board examination. We are giving the students to play table tennis, carom, chess, all other outdoor and indoor games. And shortly we are going to open one activity center where our students are going to get all the facilities of game and sports.
This school does not belong to anybody. It is a self-managed school, and by a managing committee consisting of saints and eminent retired persons of the society. They they work hard without any remuneration to ensure that the school becomes the best in the state.
We have started this Sivananda Centenary Boys High School in the 10 acres of land allotted by Government of Odisha for man making, nation building and self-realization. Through this Gurukula with vegetarian food, yogasana, value-based education, we are unfolding the personality of our students to become ideal Bharatiyas and to glorify Mother India through our Indian culture.
I am from
I am from Sivananda Centenary Boys High School.